Hello everyone. Today we will know how to build and install bridge foundations in water. Building and installing bridge foundations in water involves the process of designing and constructing sturdy foundations that can support the weight of the bridge and maintain its stability in water conditions. Here are the basic steps for building and installing bridge foundations in water. Study the water environment. Building bridges in water requires a thorough study of the surrounding water environment at the bridge site. Factors such as water depths, water currents, sea waves, water soil, and other potential variables need to be evaluated. Foundation design. Water foundations must be carefully designed to withstand the weight of the bridge and resist forces acting upon it. Engineering techniques such as finite element analysis are used to design strong and stable foundations. Preparation of foundations. After completing the foundation design, the underwater ground needs to be prepared to receive the foundations. This involves removing debris and weak soil and reinforcing the ground with gravel or aggregate to create a strong base. Reinforcing the foundations. To increase the strength of the foundations, tieback or concrete pads can be used, which connect to the main foundations and expand into the river or seabed. This helps distribute the load and enhance the stability of the bridge. Forming the foundations. The foundations are formed using special forms that are installed underwater. Concrete is poured into the forms and allowed to dry and become strong. Installing the foundations. After the concrete has dried and the forming process is complete, the foundations are installed onto the prepared underwater ground. This is done using specialized tools and equipment such as marine cranes and professional divers. Stability testing. After the foundations are installed, tests are conducted to verify their stability and compliance with engineering and safety standards. These tests may include measurements of deflection, sway, and vibration to ensure that the foundations are functional properly and capable of withstanding the expected loads. It is important to carry out the process of building and installing bridge foundations in water by a specialized and experienced engineering team in waterworks, adhering to approved engineering standards and strict guidelines necessary to ensure the safety and stability of the bridges and their ability to withstand water conditions. Please note that this video provides a general overview of the process of building and installing bridge foundations in water. The specific details and procedures may vary depending on the project, site, and specific bridge design. We're done. If you have a question you want me to answer, write in the comments. See you in the next video.